Welcome to this guided visualization for self-healing. In this session, we will focus on harnessing the healing energy within you to support your journey in overcoming chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Our minds are powerful tools. When we focus our thoughts and intentions, we can influence our physical well-being. Visualization can be particularly helpful when dealing with health challenges such as CLL. By creating vivid mental images, we can stimulate a healing response within the body. Find a comfortable place where you can relax, free from distractions, and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. It doesn't matter if you are sitting or lying down as long as you are comfortable. Throughout this practice, remember that healing is a journey. As we begin, take a deep breath and let go of any tension or worries. Know that you are in a safe space where healing and transformation are possible. Through the power of your mind, body, and spirit, we will visualize the healing light of the universe working within you, restoring balance, strength, and vitality. In this guided visualization, it's important to understand how the immune system works and how certain imbalances can lead to conditions such as chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Let's explore this together as part of our healing journey. Chronic lymphocytic leukemia, or CLL, is a type of blood cancer that originates in the bone marrow, where blood cells are produced. In CLL, the bone marrow makes too many abnormal lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell. These cells don't function properly, and they can crowd out healthy blood cells, leading to a weakened immune system and other complications. In our visualization, we will focus on the body's natural ability to restore balance, to stop the bone marrow's tendency to overproduce lymphocytes and to function efficiently and effectively. See your immune system recognizing and clearing out any abnormal cells, bringing your blood cells back to a state of health and harmony. Along with additional suggestions and visualizations to alkalinize your body and release healing substances, your body will begin to effortlessly and continuously destroy all cancerous cells in your body. Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And then slowly exhale, releasing any tension. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly, allowing your body to relax more with each breath. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the surface beneath you, letting go of any stress or worries. Imagine each breath as a wave, gently washing over you, bringing calm and peace. Let go of thoughts about the past or future, focusing on now. Allow your mind to quiet down as you breathe deeply. Embrace this moment without judgment or expectation. Thoughts may arise. Acknowledge them and let them pass, for this is your time with your core being. Imagine a calm, clear pool of water, with thoughts as ripples dissipating. Sink deeper into calmness and peace. This is your time for healing and transformation. Embrace this moment with gratitude and openness. Now turn your attention to your bone marrow. In chronic lymphocytic leukemia, imagine your bone marrow as a command center responsible for deploying soldiers. These soldiers are your lymphocytes, the protectors of your body. In chronic lymphocytic leukemia, the command center becomes overwhelmed and begins sending out too many soldiers. These soldiers are not fully trained or equipped for the job, and their sheer numbers start to cause chaos. Instead of strengthening your defenses, they create congestion, making it harder for the well-trained soldiers to do their work. Focus now on restoring balance within your command center. Imagine a bright gold calming energy flowing through your bone marrow, retraining the soldiers and ensuring only the best are deployed. Visualize the excess soldiers gently stepping back, making room for the skilled and capable ones to take their place. As this balance is restored, feel your body's defenses becoming stronger, more coordinated, and fully equipped to protect and heal you. Allow this powerful image to fill you with confidence and trust in your body's ability to restore order and health. Imagine a calming blue light illuminating your bone marrow. This blue light contains a perfect version of your DNA. Genetic mutations cause the affected lymphocytes to avoid normal cell death and continue to multiply uncontrollably. The blue light is now going to project the ideal copy of your DNA into your bone marrow, slowing the production of lymphocytes and restoring perfect health of your bone marrow. Before we leave this portion of your session, we must clean the bloodstream and bone marrow of any abnormal and diseased cells, identifying and flushing your system with nourishing green light. This soothing green light permeates your circulatory system as it balances your blood cells in accordance with nature. Let's turn to nutrition, which is essential for healing the body. It provides the necessary nutrients and energy to support cellular repair, boost the immune system, and promote overall well-being. Imagine yourself eating a variety of colorful, plant-based foods. These foods are rich in nutrients and antioxidants, providing your body with the fuel it needs to heal. As you eat these foods, your body becomes more alkaline, creating an environment where cancer cannot thrive. Feel the vitality and energy that comes from nourishing your body with these healing foods. Picture yourself enjoying these meals, savoring the flavors and textures, and feeling grateful for the nourishment they provide. See your body absorbing the nutrients, using them to repair and regenerate your cells. You are eating a plant-based diet, and your body rapidly turns alkaline, which starves cancer cells. They are unable to survive in an alkaline environment. Significant information exists to show that wireless radiation is harmful to our bodies. Specifically related to cancer, Wi-Fi exposure appears to disrupt the rate of cell growth, causing various types of cancer. You now choose to expose your body to nature's vibrations, rather than the electromagnetic radiation of technology. You smell the air, hear the birds, and feel the warmth of the sun as your bare feet touch the earth, grounding with creation. Your immune system connects to the healing energy of nature and absorbs it into every fiber of your body. As you continue to visualize these healing processes, allow yourself to feel a deep sense of joy and gratitude. Laughter and gratitude are powerful healing tools, releasing endorphins that soothe pain and uplift the spirit. Picture yourself laughing, feeling light and carefree. Let this joy fill every part of your being, knowing that it is contributing to your healing. Imagine the sound of your laughter echoing through your healing sanctuary, bringing even more healing energy into this space. Feel the warmth and happiness that comes from this joy, and let it spread throughout your entire body. Take a moment to affirm your healing. Repeat silently or out loud. My body knows how to heal itself, and I trust in its wisdom. I am grateful for the healing taking place in my body right now. My immune system is powerful and vigilant as it restores balance and harmony within me. I am surrounded by love, strength, and the energy of complete well-being. Healing energy flows through my entire body, dissolving all illness. Feel the truth of these statements resonating within you. Knowing that your body has an incredible capacity to heal, I release all fear and am grateful for my ongoing healing. Imagine these affirmations as seeds, planting them in the fertile soil of your mind, where they will grow and flourish, supporting your healing journey. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly, allowing these affirmations to sink into your subconscious mind. Feel the truth of these statements resonating within you. As we begin to bring this visualization to a close, take a few more deep breaths. With each inhale, feel the healing energy filling your body. With each exhale, release any remaining tension or negativity. You are anxious to return to this healing session each day, knowing that regular visualization meditation reinforces your body's natural healing processes. Daily practice reduces stress and anxiety, promoting a calm and positive mindset essential for healing. Visualization. Meditation strengthens your immune system, helping your body fight cancer more effectively. Returning to meditation daily helps maintain mental clarity and focus on your healing goals. Consistent practice fosters a positive outlook, which is crucial for resilience and well-being during treatment. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel and carry this sense of peace and healing with you throughout your day. Remember that you are healing, you are strong, and you are filled with joy and gratitude. Know that you are not alone and that there are many people who care about you and support you on this journey. Feel the love and support of those around you and let it strengthen and uplift you. You are healing. Remember that healing is a process, and it takes time and patience. Be gentle with yourself and trust that your body knows how to heal. Take care of yourself and continue to nourish your body and mind with positive thoughts, healthy foods, and loving kindness. Trust in the process and know that you are supported every step of the way. Until tomorrow, enjoy each moment.